Hi, in a previous video, we looked at how to add alignment label which represent alignment name, station offset and coordinates. So in this video, we are going to look at how to customize this label so that we get our desired result. In the customization, we will see how to change the name part. We don't need the alignment part here. We'll only add the alignment name. For the station, we will add 3 decimal places to the station and offset 3 decimal places. And also when you are going to the right or left side, we can have right or left notation here. And for the northing and easting coordinates, we will make it 3 decimal places. So I am going to select this alignment style, label style, go to label properties from here, go to edit label style. Then since this is a default template, I am going to create a copy of this one because I am getting a new style with this data. So if you like, you can rename your style with your desired name. I'm not going to change that at this stage. So we are going to we need to go to layout tab. Then first we have the station offset thing and the marker. So we are not going to change the marker, and we are only going to change the station offset data. So then you need to go to this contents section under text, click here and click these three buttons here. Now you have the data which is given in the label. So first you can see it is alignment equals alignment name. So I will delete this part, so we will not get this alignment in front of the alignment name. For the station, we will keep it as station. Then for here, we will change it as 3 decimal places. Currently when you select here, you can see the precision is 2 decimal places. I'll change this to 3 decimal places. Then I click here to add this data to the label. Now I go to offset, same situation, 3 decimal places and add here. So you can see this is the station offset side, so we are not going to change that one. We need that one if when the alignment label is at either side of center line, you will get the side as well. That is good. So then you go to northing and easting. So you click here, you can set this as 3 decimal places, add to this side, and needs easting also 3 decimal places, add to the other side. If you need, you can type n equals other instead of going northing notation. That's depend on your requirement or your desire. So after setting all these things, I'll click OK. Now this is updated. So if you zoom here, you will get the preview here. So alignment 1, station 3 decimal places, offset 3 decimal places. Also we have this M notation here, and the right side, then northing value 3 decimal places, easting value 3 decimal places. So that is all set now. I click OK here. Now you need to make sure you have set this alignment label style correctly. You should have the copied style where we edited. So I click OK now. Now you can see now this label has been updated. So if you want to update this one as well, what you can do is type MA to do match properties. Click this one and click on this one. It will automatically match this label properties to this one so that we get all the things correctly. So if you have so many labels to be modified, you can select all these labels using select similar, or either by clicking one by one on them, then go to properties tab. So from there you can select the station offset. The required style can be set here, station offset label style. That's how you set it if you have so many labels to be modified at this stage. So that's how to modify the alignment, station offset and coordinates label style to your desired requirements.